Hello guys, what's up? I think I'm doing all well. Myself Pankaj and welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical. Today I'm doing unboxing of multiple using printer. So let's start the video. This printer is LaserJet MFP 323dnw. With the manual of this printer and here is my printer. And here is the cable, and then what is this? It looks like a warranty information. And no more. So nothing new. I'm already use this and this. So open the printer. This printer is the duplex printer in HP, and the connectivity is USB cable, internet cable, and Wi-Fi. And this printer is one power cord and one USB cord. What is this? It is a paper tray. Yeah, it is paper tray. And here is the manual of paper tray. How to install paper tray. So I am connecting the printer of power. Is this scanner of the printer and remove the all stickers. Here is the printer cartridge and remove the cartridge because here is some restricted area for printing. So remove this sticker. Please remove in the cartridge is this orange part because he is the protector of cartridge. So let's use the cartridge. And now peel the paper. Open the tray, and here is one confusion. Like paper this side no fitting and no fitting on this side. So press this key and hold the back side and peel the paper and then set. Please wait. Status green blinking. Status is green blinking. Ready for copying. I have no other papers, so I am using this paper for copying. Ready for copying, and I am copying via scanner. Press on start button. Now copying. Here is the result. This copying done. Second method is connect the printer via IP address or network. Ready for copy, but I'm clicking on menu button and then copy, print setup, system setup, network. Okay, TCP/IP I am taking the IP of static IP. Okay, not a DHCP. Okay, boot up and static IP 172.20 155 is okay, and subnet mask is this. Gateway 172.20.20.1. Okay, 7, and return to home. And I'm showing my laptop to how to connect this IP. First of all, connect your laptop on internet, but the same internet connectivity. First of all, open your run command and check your printer IP pinging or not pinging. Open run and then ping. Enter your printer IP. Hit enter. Your printer IP is pinging here, so close this window and open your control panel and select device and printer. Add a printer and search your printer model number. Here showing your printer model number SP MFP 323dnw. Select and then next. Installing your printer driver now and installing done. So close this window. If you are need a test page, so print a text page, otherwise not, and set a default printer or not. Check and uncheck. Print text page and then finish. Close this window and then finish. Here is showing your printer model number, and I am using the printer driver download link in my description box. Thank you for watching this video, and let's meet next video.